yo, bibbidi bobbidi boo. Giggity giggity. This is Corey coming from Korea, Gyopo dad. Look who he got. How long has it been, guys?
8 years.
8 years. Even before Daniel was born. These guys, Uncle Eric and Virginia from Canada. The lesser of the North Americas, but it's okay. We're here
You're
at
catching
how many?
heat on that now.
Yeah.
Get some comments.
Yeah, before I was so
Of
mad
the 2
at
people that watch my videos.
2 Canadians.
We're here at how many they haven't seen. They've never met Gabrielle or Daniel, so it's gonna be great to see this. Let's go.
Just quiet.
Are we supposed to say something?
This is B-roll right here. It's like, yeah, not the main stuff. I wish we had elevator music. Oh, show! What's up? Gabrielle, do you say hi?
Gabby? Oh, superstar. Gyopo dad superstar. Good to see you. Maybe see you in Migu. You doing it? Oh, nice. Okay, cool.
Bye.
Yeah. Oh, thanks for dinner.
Bye.
That was fun.
That was good. So we got our good friend Virginia here. Haven't seen her for a long ass time. We gotta get our tickets out or cards out. So the audience wants to know, Virginia, what's it like being back in Korea after 7-8 years?
It feels like we never left.
Feels
like home.
Yes,
feels like
it
coming
does.
home.
It's
Yeah.
awesome. She's gonna get so drunk tonight.
2 or 3 days and then fly to Philadelphia.
You see this guy in Georgia?
That's not close. Pennsylvania's like up here. Georgia's like all the way down here. I'm trying to remember the other day. I was like, oh, I know it's been a while.
Yeah.
But it was like, I don't think it's been 10 years because that had been 2014. We were all still around. One standing. That's definitely Richard. He has that stance.
What up, boys?
What's up, man?
Right.
You look exactly the same.
What are you, man? What are you talking about? Boys.
What's up? What's up, buddy? Look at you, boy.
Good to see you guys.
Because I was like, all right, I need a detox a little bit because like I was getting a little tired. Oh no, I started on balance difficulty and then I changed it to explore because I was like, my first time.
Move once you get in that accident.
Which blocks everyone else and makes it very convenient.
If only Whiskey Weasel was still around here.
Yeah, seriously.
Do 20 pull-ups to get a free drink or
Oh my
whatever
God.
that shit was they had.
We're getting all the free beer.
What month? How old are they?
BK, BK, you haven't seen us for a long time. What are some fond memories you have of me and Eric, or either one? It doesn't matter. Go, go.
Convenience store drinking.
Convenience store drinking.
Convenience
100%.
store, okay.
100%.
For sure.
Any advice for the younger generation?
Do what you like, right? Seriously, I mean, you have to do what you love, right? If you love teaching, teach. You know, I don't know.
Do I have your permission to put this on my YouTube channel?
No!
His permission to put it on my YouTube channel, yes?
Yes.
Okay, boom. There we go. She's on our team! That's okay. All good, buddy.
I need one.
If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and if you should, if you hadn't already, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed today's family fun video, hit that like button. And remember, everyone, you guys are doing your best.